Well, good morning, everybody. We are here in Catania.
Catania or Catania, I'm not sure how to pronounce it.
We don't want to pronounce it incorrect, so if you know this, you know the proper pronunciation. Throw it down below. But we are here. It's beautiful. It's very, very nice today, is it not?
It is very nice. Behind us, you see Mount Etna. We are in Sicily, and today we are just going to walk the city.
We are. So we're going to bring you with us. We're going to see all the sites that they have that we can by feet, and we'll see what we get ourselves into. I think it sounds like a nice, relaxing stroll today.
Yeah. So the ship docks right next to the main city square here. So we're just going to take a short 10-minute walk into the center, and we're going to explore some of the history that this town has to offer.
So come with us. Let's do it.
Friday morning here in Sicily, in Catania, and there's a lot of local traffic. We are making our way to the first stop of the day, which is going to be Piazza del Duomo. There's a nice cathedral there that we are going to check out. Hopefully it's open, hopefully they let us in.
All right, so I would say that we've been walking for maybe like 7 minutes, maybe 10. I don't know. I really don't keep track whenever we're walking. But overall, it's very flat. There are a couple tiny little sidewalks you'll make it to. But we're going to go check out the cathedral. But we're making our way to City Square. And I'm excited about it. I think this place is very different, if I could say so. Almost reminds me of the city square that we had at Amsterdam. But look at this. It's just so nice, so nice. So we just ended walking through the church. Very, very pretty. Some couple things to know is that it's a constant church that's being restored constantly because of earthquakes that happen, volcanic eruptions that happen, and yes, that does happen. I actually told John that the volcano had like a plume of smoke and ash that came out last year in June. But they constantly are renovating it. When we were in there, they were setting up lights and all things, so it looks like there's some form of a production going on in there. But very pretty architecture. And then one of the most famous singers around this area is actually buried, has a tomb within that church. Very loved. And so this must be their community church, their community cathedral. From our understanding, it's one of the most famous ones here. But we're going to go ahead and head on over to the market, see what it's about, see what they have, maybe grab a souvenir. Who knows? Let's go. So we made our way around, we checked out the little shops. So this market is actually just full of artisans, which I find really interesting because you see all the little handcrafted items that they have. There's earrings, there's jewelry, there's bags, there's art decor for your household. Pretty much anything that you're going to find at a normal arts and crafts market you're going to find here, but it's solely the artists of this area. And then there's also a really nice water feature behind me. Beautiful. Let's keep going. All right, so pays off to be a little bit curious. John and I, I gotta catch my breath. That was a lot of steps. Okay, so John and I came over to this church. It's called the Saint Agatha, Badia di This is where we went, and you can pay €5 to go and go up a bunch of steps to be able to get a breathtaking view of this entire area. Very pretty. Bring your walking shoes, bring some water, but I will say, worth it. €5 and you get this view. Would you just see it? All right, so we walked some steps and we made ourselves here to what's called Via Bellini. So this is their city park, city garden. It was built around the 1700s and it's known as an ancient labyrinth. So if you don't know what that is, a labyrinth is like a set of mazes. And if you also don't know, the Labyrinth is also a movie. And if you haven't seen it, check it out. But more importantly, this covers, let me give you the exact square footage. 70,942 square feet. Insane. Very beautiful place. Come check it out. Love it. And there's a nice fountain behind me. Again, more fountains.
Chicken nuggets, ketchup, soda.
It's good. It'll do.
McDonald's in Italy are not the same. They're definitely not normal. They're high end. You need to come and try it out. So that wraps up our day here in Catania, Sicily, Italy. We are heading back to this ship now. It's a little,
Sprinkling.
yeah, it started sprinkling on us a little bit. Just a little bit, not too bad, but the day was great. The weather was fantastic. It's like 75 degrees right now with an overcast, slight breeze. Feels good. There's a dog right here on this boat. It's his boat. He's the owner.
It's a dog's boat. That's fun. All right, so we made it back onto the ship, and I will say this: getting back on the ship, John, has been quite smooth, right?
Yeah, it was a nice stroll through the city there. We did have a little bit of rain there towards the end. It wasn't really rain; it was more of a sprinkle. But no, today was a good day. Overcast, so it wasn't hot.
No. So we went and checked out the church, checked out the market. We walked all the way to the park, the garden area, very beautiful. On our way back, we caught an Italian yelling and getting really upset and fighting a guy, smashing a security radio. There was
two Italians fighting on the street there.
A bit of a
some
scuffle.
sort of dispute.
Yeah. But as we were coming back, like John said, it rained. It sprinkled. We stopped at McDonald's. I will say I enjoyed the chicken nuggets. I didn't taste anything different. Some people think there is a different taste, but I don't know. The Coke Zero was refreshing, and then we just made our way back onto the ship. And so we're gonna clean up, relax for a little bit, and then head out for the night. We'll bring you with us. I don't know what we have planned tonight. Do you know what we have planned tonight?
We don't have anything planned. We're just gonna go along with the vibes of the ship, and we'll see where it takes us.
Let's do it. All right. I think. Well, y'all, we are all cleaned up, aren't we, John?
We're cleaned up. We are ready to go and explore the evening festivities. I don't know what's going on today. I don't think there's much going on today.
I don't think so either, but I will tell you that although a little bit dressed up tonight, we're probably gonna eat at the buffet. So we'll let you know how that experience for dinner is, because sometimes it's great and sometimes it's just filling in what you need to make it through the night. Anyways, we're gonna take you with us. It's gonna be a great night. And John, you look great.
Thank you. So do you.
All right, let's go. All right, so you guys find us here at Surfside. It's the buffet here on the Norwegian Viva. We decided not to opt for the MDR, not to opt for a specialty dining, but just to come to the buffet and get some food. So I grabbed myself a salad, I grabbed myself some chicken, some vegetables. They had some sweet and sour shrimp, so I grabbed some of that. But really, I came here for the vegetables today. And then paired with the water, because y'all know hydration is important. So that's what I grabbed. So I'll let John show the food, and we're gonna dig in. Well, y'all, I think that's an end to our night.
That is a wrap, everybody, here aboard the Norwegian Viva. Today, we were in Catania, Italy. It was a gorgeous, beautiful day. We are sailing away. Goodbye. And tomorrow, it's a new country.
It is, and actually, I read our clocks go forward an hour tomorrow.
Do they? So that means we get to sleep in or not?
No, we lose an hour, unfortunately, if we're going forward.
Okay.
Yep, we're losing an hour of sleep. So that's why I said, John, I think it's time. We close it out, we relax for the rest of the night, probably stay in, maybe watch a video. I don't know what we're gonna do. But the one thing we are gonna do is get some rest, because we do have some fun going on tomorrow, don't we?
Yes, so we are doing a walking tour through a viaduct tomorrow in the city of, in the country of Malta. City of Valletta.
So, you know what that means? It means it's your time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell. Every single time that we have a video come out, it will let you know. And the best thing about this, John, can I tell you what the best thing is?
What's that?
It's free. We love free things. It's free. So go ahead, make sure to do that. And most importantly, who are you?
My name is John.
And my name is Dymon. Go on a cruise.
And have a good time.
We'll see you guys real soon.